All right, traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. Guys, as you're tuning in, hit that thumbs up for a huge green day here. As you guys can see, LIFW strikes again. This was the stock that ended up moving up a few days ago and was now back in play again today. This was an incredible move from about $3 all the way to 17. And we did a whopping 5K. Yesterday, a bit of a rest day, and today, first daily candle, making the new high and pushing higher. And we were able to capitalize. And despite, and today, guys, I want to say, quick side note, I really liked how well I stayed engaged and how focused I was. This is the kind of day that I feel more proud of, in terms of like you know, my focus, how locked in I was, how disciplined I was, how in the moment I wasn't floating out in different directions. It was just here. And I think it really showed. And so despite having a smaller gain than I did a few days ago, I'm more proud of today. And so this one went from a low of, let's see here. We went from a low of 638 to a high of 1122. And I had some trouble in the move up. But as mentioned, kept focused and was able to capitalize and had my biggest single winning trade of all time today. So we're going to pull up the archive. We're going to show this one. And I hope you guys enjoy this sweet trade. Guys, once again, hit that thumbs up. So we're going to skip ahead here. It's going to come and it's going to come quick. This big move that we're going to get. My single biggest winning trade coming from the dip and rip. So, over the last few weeks, I lost money on resumptions. But take a look at this particular resumption right here. So we're going to open up, I believe, around 10:30 here. And this thing is going to absolutely fly. So there's the resumption. We were halted at 9:68. We resumed at 10:30. So that's a pretty, at 10:20 rather. That's a pretty significant resumption in itself. Great for anybody who's holding shares. Now right here we pushed up to about 47.50, 10:50, 10:47, and then we dip, and I take the dip fearlessly. Is this a risky trade? Of course it is. Of course it is. But I'm right here. I'm looking for that relief bounce, and so I'm in, and it pops up over 10 almost immediately. I'm taking the gains off the table, and then I'm watching to get back in. Can we continue to hold 70, 80? I'm in, another quick trade, and right here for the third time is going to be the charm, or is it the fourth time? I'm going to be back in, watching for the break of 10. Yeah, third time the charm. Back in for the break of 10. I'm in at 975, and for break of 10, I'm only looking for this thing to go 10, 10:05, 10:15. It rips all the way to 1097. And there's a spread here, 97 by 64. I got filled at 68 coming out, about 90 cents a share, 2,500 shares. And we had someone in the comment section saying, I look away, I look back, RT is green 3K, 4K. How did he do this? And this was the trade that we caught here. And that pushed us up to 2,800. But we did ended up giving back, like you guys will see right here on realized. We're green over 5K. Well, we ended up having some losses along the way. So we're gonna come out of there after that winning trade 4,800, not quite getting filled at the highs. And from right here is where I'm gonna start to get blazed. First trade back in, watching for a break of 11. I'm a little too aggressive. I'm gonna watch right here. I'm gonna get caught. Big dip, right? So we got caught. We got the big dip. Didn't take that dip, but right here I'm watching 75. That's where we held up previously, and this is where I'm gonna really get blazed here. I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna get back in. So I'm gonna see all this selling coming in at 69, and I'm like, you know what? It looks like this thing might just be holding, and I didn't wait for any sort of like bounce or buyers. I just bought thinking it was gonna hold, and look at this drop from 69 instantly, man, instantly. Guys, the risk is real. Right there, I'm thinking, if this thing doesn't work, I'm gonna stop out 60. Okay, if not 60, 55. If not 55, 50. Can I, okay, I lose 18 cents, not great, but not bad for the move back over 10 and maybe again 10, 20. But instantly to 27. That was just brutal. Luckily, it was a false halt down, and that's how I was able to get my fill and salvage this loss. So, guys, yeah, there it is. I'm out. So, that brought me down to 3,400. So, in two trades, losing about 1,600 or let's say 1,400, about 1,400. Pretty crazy, man. But insane stuff. Guys, remember, if you want access to the live archive, right? If you want access to the live archive, if you want to learn the strategy that we have here, be sure to check out MMU. Be sure to check out MMU. And we're going to run our biggest coupon ever. We're going to run our biggest coupon ever. Coupon code DREAM, right? DREAM in honor of all of our dreams. And this is going to be our biggest coupon yet, 50% off. We're going to run a 50% off coupon right after this recap. I'm going to go ahead and activate it. And so this will be for all of our products. So you guys can check it out. Anybody who wants to learn, we have our full curriculum here. Shout out to the other mentor and trader here in the community, Marcelo, who is also nicely green today. Guys, check it out. The actual course itself goes from zero to advanced. There's mentorships, there's lectures, there's Q&As weekly, there's the chat room, there's the inner circle of the chat room, and much more, scanners and all these different things. So if you want to learn how to trade, you know is it easy? The answer is no. Is it something that can make you a lot of money quickly? The answer is no. What you're seeing right now from me, Marcelo, Tim, and the other traders is that it's countless hours of behind the scenes work finally paying off. Us time after time, day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year, studying, focusing, getting better, improving, trying different things, right? The first thing you try might not always work. But the main thing is that we stayed consistent, we improved, and now we're able to reap the benefits. So if you're someone who's looking to get started in the market, you don't know where to start, how to start, yes, this is a very long course, but it needs to be that way. It needs to be detailed, right? There's 32 plus 32 chapters, right? From the very basics all the way to the advanced stuff. You guys can check it out and gain all the perks. Become a gold member. Become a gold member. We're gonna update this. Coupon code DREAM is coming, and we are going to be a go. So check it out. Check out the chat room as well. We can come and see how the team was able to do today. So let's come on down to the P&L section here, and let's see how our members did. So starting today, 7 a.m. Mike, not bad. 2K for Anthony, man. And shout out to Anthony. This guy here actually worked with Gary V and is good at marketing and that type of stuff. So check him out, right, Anthony? And Anthony, man, Anthony hit me up. I'm trying to get Anthony to come on board with Relentless Trading, but he's a busy man. He has a lot of stuff going on. So great, great overall. Of course, keep in mind some people are using smaller size depending on where they are in their career, their journey. Some people are using the simulator, and they will say we're very transparent in this community. Sir Clive getting it done. The orange names are the students. Danny getting it done. Man, MX, one of the moderators in the community here, Save, getting it done. He's also in the day trading house right now, getting it done. George, getting it done. Another student, I love to see, especially when the students are killing it, man. Jared, not bad, 7. We have, and again, we're very transparent. You can see who's red. You can see who might have went red and then got back green. Everybody is showing, everything. We're not hiding the red days. When people are red, they're posting it, right? We're posting it. Crispy trades, another solid day. So way to go, man. Amit, way to go, getting it done. And small red right here. So wrong bet. Look at this consistency, man. Wow. Another one of the moderators. Wrong bet, man. We're waiting for you, bro. Slow and steady. Guys, check out the Relentless Trading chat room today. Lucas, big red day for Lucas. Oh no. Hello everyone. I want to inform you that after today I have decided to temporarily stop trading at least until the school year ends. It is clear that mentally I cannot fit so many things into my life. And so this is so scheduling, skipping sessions, trading at other times. So for those people who might not know, Lucas is actually our number one student, and to this point has been the most profitable student and has had many days like this in the opposite direction. But recently he's went back to school and started a new semester, and it seems like it's throwing him off here. And trading is one of these type of fields where you need to be very dialed in. You need to be locked in. You need when you're here, you need to be here. You need to be present. Similar to what I was mentioning at the beginning of the recap. And so this is a little tough to see. But we know that he has it in him. He's done it consistently for weeks and months. And so we look forward to him having a triumphant return very soon. And as I just mentioned, transparency. We don't hide anything in this community. We share, we post, and this is a part of the deal as a trader is that there will be some big losing days, especially when you're distracted. So, shout out to Lucas. Looking forward to him getting back on track over time and getting back on top. So, as we continue to come lower, we have some more P&Ls, and I think that's going to do it. BMAC, another student here, up 2K. And that seems like that's about it. So, yeah, check out the Relentless Trading chat room. Join today, become a member today, and we will see you guys on the flip side. It's been Relentless Trader. It's been a good recap. I don't think I'm missing anything. There were some other stocks like CDIO, which I did lose on, got caught in this flush here, watching for the red to green right here, got caught and just wasn't able to get green in this move up. Just the range was so tight now, I wasn't able to get it done. And great entry on this dip, but I added aggressively. So it pulled back, it went back up. I added it down here, thinking we would get the retest of the highs. Didn't happen. Ended up having a flat trade despite having such a good cost basis initially. But just not great. I think I also got caught right here watching for the red to green. So that was the day, guys. Hit that thumbs up. It's been Relentless Trader. And I'll catch you guys next time. Stay safe, stay green. I am signing out.